Today we want to take a look at the fundamental counting principle and permutations and combinations. The fundamental counting principle is when you are counting the number of possibilities of multiple events. Let's take a look at number 1. You are making a sandwich and get to choose one type of meat, that's your first event, from turkey, ham, or tuna, and one type of bread from wheat, rye, sourdough, or white. We want to know how many sandwiches are possible. So if we make a little table, we've got turkey, ham, and tuna as our 3 possible sandwiches for event number 1. Event number 2 is if I have bread. So I can have turkey on wheat, turkey on rye, turkey on sourdough, turkey on white. That's going to give me 4 sandwiches. I could also have ham on wheat, ham on rye, ham on sourdough, or ham on white bread. Another 4 sandwiches. I could have tuna on wheat, tuna on rye, tuna on sourdough, or tuna on white bread, and again, that's another 4 possibilities. I don't want to have to make a little table every single time I do one of these problems. So if I have multiple events, I'm going to multiply my different options together. So for event number 1, my type of meat, I have 3 choices, and for event number 2, for my bread, I have 4 choices, which will give me 12 different sandwiches. Question number 2 says, what if we add in 4 choices of cheese? So then for turkey on wheat, I'm going to have 4 more options, turkey on rye, 4 more options, so forth and so on. I can take each of my events, my meat, my bread, and my cheese, and multiply them together. So for question number 2, if we add in 4 choices of cheese and we want to know how many different sandwiches can I make, then I'm going to have 3 times 4 times 4 is going to give me 48 different sandwiches. And this is accounting for when I just choose one of each of my different events.